Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Danielle. If you're new here, hey, it's Danielle Kiama. What's up? So today is hair day because jana nilibomoa nywele and whatever is under this bonnet, Lord. So my grandma has this thing and I've been wanting to use it, though I don't know if it works. I'm a carnayo, so I don't even know if it works. But if it doesn't, it's going to back up. This 5-in-1 hairstyle, whatever. Yo. I want to, like, after Nimosha, I blow dry it. I want to straighten my hair. Because I know if I don't straighten my hair, Lord, the shenanigans that will be under this bonnet every single day will be. So, let's open up whatever is inside here and hope it works. So, wacha nini iko ndani. First, we start with this. The base of it. I guess nafaa kuweka blow dry, but then mi sijui. So, wacha tu nisiwadanganye, let me plug it in. Nimeasha for confirmation. As you can see, thank you. So there's this brush thingy. It's yo. Bro, what the heck? Imeingia. So I guess this is the level. Sijui. So I've put this one. I don't even know if it's working. No. It's at 0. Sindio. What am I supposed to do? Is it supposed to be making noise? Bro.
Hi, Shem. And
it's on, literally. You see? It's literally on. With this, it would have like been easier to like, curl it even. Bro. Fake ass. Sasa nimefanya. Lord. Oh my days. Oh. Mi sijui kinini nafaa kufanyika. At this point I should put it as a microphone. Ona hizi zote. All this. And it's not working. Bro. I've seen this on TikTok. Somewhere there. No. Is this really supposed to be this hollow? Bro, I'm so confused. And it's not even giving me like instructions on how to use it. This thing is so... Bro. The heck? I'm 100% sure there's supposed to be like air coming out. It should sound like a blow dry. Am I supposed to be heated? Bro. The heck? I'm so confused right now. Genuinely. know what? I'll stick to the things I know. Vitu mageni sio yangu jamani. Ilikuwaje? Mimi dealing with new things. Please. Woo. What has happened? Let me just stick to this. I'll stick to something I know. This, I know it will work. I just don't know if it will curl my hair. Because the shape is not round, it's rectangle. You can literally see it's not round, but I'll try my best. Let me show you guys what I use, okay, to wash my hair genuinely. So I love Sundew Beauty, like shampoo. Najua ni ya kitambo, by the way, but then it's like original. Tangu kitambo, I've just loved Sundew Beauty, and that's the only shampoo I use. So yeah. Conditioner, I change either Sundew or any other conditioner. Bora ni conditioner. So today we are switching it up. We have mi sijaisikia kusema ukweli. Nimeibia shusha yangu. Lord. Lakini si we share. Nimeibia. It's a 2-in-1 moisturizing and conditioning lotion activator. Si bora iko conditioning. Actually, this is last time nilitumia hii when I was dyeing my hair. So yeah. This is a conditioner. And obviously, while conditioning, we have to use a comb. Mimi siwezi condition ile kama sija. Okay, siwezi maliza kuosha kama sija condition na kuchana. Please. I'm a typical African. Now, to whatever is under this bonnet. Nilitoa nywele jana na Lord. Sikuweka matuta wala sikushuka. Niliweka ponytail. So obvious, guy. So obviously, I didn't do it. Ona venye inakaa. Okay. Lord, it's like I'm losing hair. So I dyed my hair. Singeweza vlog hiyo because it was too chaotic for me. Do you know how it takes heart to dye your own hair because anyway, tupatane nikimaliza kuosha nywele. I'm back. And yeah, this is how my hair looks now. Acha make up kichana. Iko niyo nandui. Like your playlist, boy, turn it up a little louder. I have to portion this hair into 4 parts because I'm using this na inakwanga ngumu kufanya 2 ones. Let me first wacha happy. Ah, hope it's not wet. Right. Wait. Never stops. I like it. It's in and on. Yeah. Let's do this. Hey, make up. Oh, bro. Acha nifanye half cause niko na hairbands mbili peke yake. Actually niko na tatu. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let me section this part now. Ndio at least ifanye kazi yangu iwe rahisi bana. So 1, 2, and 3. More. Now we start with this part. Let me just comb through it kwanza. Let's see if it has. Tuone kama imefanya kazi yake vizuri. Let's run through. Oof! Yes! That's what we call. Oof! Yes! Nice. Nice. I love that. Definitely. Now let's go here behind. Because why not? It's wet though. Nitaka kufunga hii part. It's wet though. Ugh, you know what? Who cares? Okay. Wacha niende mafuta nipake. Nimeiacha. So I have butternut oil. Nona. Yeah. And nimeleta hot comb because I want to straighten my hair. Yeah. Wacha niashe. Likwange moto. Level 3. Haya. Let's do this. Sijui kama mtaona ikitoa moshi. Bro. Acha nizime kwanza. Unaona moshi? I hope si mimi peke yangu. Inaweza kali hii nywele kweli? Sijui. Okay. Eh? Nafanya side by side ndo muone, so yeah. What a perfect time for stima kupotea. I'm not even joking. Lakini nimejichoma, guy. Sikia tu uchungu. Oh gosh. Alafu 26 we have somewhere to be. And to think I don't even know how to style this effing hair. Hey, my middle part is very important to me. Watu zote nimemaliza. Hata zimerudi. Acheni nimemaliza. Let's style this fucking hair. Bro. I always see this, but it's not for me. Like I see it online and I'm looking for Pinterest ideas to do with my hair. Want to? Want to do that? Oh gosh. Okay. Ow! Lord. Why? Why is it not coming the way I want it? What? Yo, that sounded so weird. Like it's not. The fuck? Wait. Those sijui kama itaweza. But I feel this is like too much. But anyways, do I care? Hell the fuck no. I don't. Because it will come out the way I want it. No questions asked. It's almost there. Yo. Okay. Ow. Okay. But I mean, it's giving. Like it's giving. It's curling the way I want it now. Mbona inaenda huko? Mbona zinaachana? Why are they breaking up? Why are they breaking up? Oh no. No, it just looks like a hot mess. What am I to do with my hair? At this point in life now. I made a bow. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I made a bow. Chatundaka hivyo sasa nitadu. What am I to do? But ngoja. That was nice. Yeah. Acha tu nikaa hivyo juu sasa nitadu. Nitadu what? Damn. At least say when I'm like watching a K-drama, you know, those they're just scenes they knew because Oh my gosh. Kwanza these handsome men. Ooh, they're to die for. So like they just come up and you're like, oh gosh. At least I can tuck a hair in. You know? Lakini shida itashika earring, guys. Anyway, beauty is pain, right? Beauty is definitely pain. Okay. That's okay. By the way, newsflash. I didn't show you guys. I got a septum. Gotcha. I got a septum. Oh my gosh. Just ain't go home. So some things need to be hidden. Some things need to be hidden. Okay, Joa. Mimi kuisha. You will be coming for my funeral. Hata najua too. Some of them watch my channel, but like, hi. Yeah, I got a septum. You know, but uzuri ni I'm not like showing it off like kwa familia, cause yo, why would I do that? You see, if it was like curled, inge, are you seeing the vision? Inge, you know. But anyways, we'll work with whatever we have. Aki muninulie straight na. Inanichoma. Guy, muninulie straight na. Akiwa, anytime I'm like, naishika. Aki, I just know the number of times I'll choma my scalp, my forehead. Nasema kuisha mimi. Guy. Ona, asa bado ni moto. Okay, warm. Nye naeza shika. But not for long. So nimemaliza, guys. Nimemaliza. But I'll have to search for styles to do now, cause I want to do like permanent dreadlocks, like permanent ileni. You know? And I don't want it those straight ones. I want the fluffy ones. Kama unajua mtu anafanya like fluffy, those two fluffy dreadlocks. I'll put an inspiration here, but if I don't, well, I was lazy. But I'm pretty sure mnajua naongelea gani. I want those ones. If you know someone who does it, or if you do it, please hook me up. Please just tell me. Nimechoka sasa kushuka dreads. Junachoka. Mimi, by the way, retouching my dreadlocks, I will learn na sitaingia salon. Nikijua kuretouch dread, it's over for you. Lakini kama unajua mtu ana nini, just tell me. DM tafadhali. Nimechoka na, you know. Alafu uzuri I know how to like undo the dreadlocks. Hata ifike waist length, I will undo them and my hair will still be long. So no harm done. Okay, I wish ninge straight anywhere and then I just curl it. Oh my gosh. If I know okay, most of you know Destiny's hair or Destiny Rose. I love her hair inspirations, like dead ass. I love her hair inspirations. Like they're so cute, they're so nice. Girl, hapo ndo hata napatanga most of my hair inspirations, like. Lakini ati sasa mimi nikuje nifanye ati one thing I don't know how to do. Like I can do hair, but one thing I don't know how to do is lines mongezo. Ati braids, like lines of braids. Nitoa hapo. Alafu ati crooked lines. That thing is hard. That thing is hard, man. I won't even lie to you. That thing is hard. Like y'all are so talented to even do that. If y'all who do that, I clap for you because that's nice. Y'all are talented. I can miss it funny even, imagine. Miss it funny even, guy. Munifunze. Come on, Ajua. And you're my friend. Kuja nifunze. Come. Nifunze. Just to submit at you. I want to know everything. Like, please. But yeah, that was today's video. Nimechoka. And ni sangapi, Ebu? It's 12:50 right now. But this video is on Loni Wednesday 24th. Wednesday 24th. Ndio mjue aki mi editing ndio ngumu kwangu. Ati picking a camera and kuongea, that's not hard for me. Lakini editing, oh my god. Nitafute bibzuko TikTok. Guy, actually it's hard. If you know how to edit, please. Nitakulipa. Amani, kwanza I'm rooting for you. Nitakulipa. I will pay you. That's all I want, an editor, genuinely. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Sijui itakuwa siku gani, cause nimerudi home. But then I think tunaenda pahali 27th and 26th. You'll come with me. Mtakuja na mimi. Anyways, yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I love you guys so much.
But these bitches in my business coming out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you